Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about my new camera, the Canon sl3. But first, I'm going to talk about the sponsor of today's video. The sponsor of this video is... No, I don't have any sponsors.
Why are we still here?
Please sponsor me. Okay, anyway, I got a new camera, the Canon sl3. So far, this camera is amazing. I love it. It works really well. It does 4K at 24 frames per second or 1080 at 60 frames per second, and so on. Those are the main ones I use though. Unfortunately, it doesn't do 1080 at 24 frames per second, but oh well. So I broke my hip part 2 with this camera, and it just worked amazing. It has super good focus tracking, so I can just tap the biker, and it'll just follow them and keep them in focus the entire time. I'm not going to really go over any more specs or settings of this camera, but we're going to do an unboxing video and then some test footage with this camera to see how well it performs. So here's the unboxing video. Now I'm just going to take the camera out and do some test footage with it and see how well it works. Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.